Anytime you guys buy an X99 system, you're buying a Ferrari, you know. X99, X299, or X399 in the case of AMD, you're buying a Ferrari, okay? So when somebody buys a Ferrari, they generally don't go, that is the most reliable car I've ever owned. No, they say that's the fastest car I've ever owned, but it's got to go in the shop constantly. X99, X299, and X399 systems require constant babying. They are very fickle and because they're so high performance, the precision is critical. And any sort of imbalance to that precision crashes it. If you want reliability, stay away from X99, X299, X399, and Ferraris. If you want the fastest thing you can get for your money, then go buy the Ferrari, the X99, X399, and deal with the troubles that come with it. There's no fix for it. Whatever your problem is today, you'll have another problem next month or next week, whenever. It'll just be another problem. If you stick with like a socket 1151 or AM4 chip for AMD or Intel, you build a system once, it's good for years and years and years and years and years, and you don't have any problems. So I've been on this with the X99s and X299s, and the X399s, they're just nothing but trouble. The last X299 system I built, I gave it away. I didn't even want it. Most of the people that are buying X99 and X299 and X399 would have been just as happy, even happier, with the performance of AM4 or socket 1151 from Intel. Thank you for watching this new quick tip series of videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, you can let me know by clicking the thumbs up button below the video. And if you want to be alerted anytime new content is posted to my channel, be sure and click the subscribe button. After that, you'll see a little bell icon up here. Be sure and click the bell icon and make sure that the notification button is checked and how you want to be notified. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Until then, bye for now.